What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request for Majin Vegeta's eyes. So landscape page I do quite big because my pen has a big nib. But this works A4 any size really. So let's go. So we start with the W shape in the middle of the forehead. Right, so go. And this can be kind of a square sort of shape if you wanted it to be, or round. So it's kind of like a W or a pitchfork or something like that, right? And we're going to give them like extra sort of frown lines down here because Majin Vegeta is angry. So the eyebrow then, a check mark, a tick line, really long now. Up there, square end, and then this will go back. Down to there, and then like some hair on the end. And then other one. It's fun drawing Dragon Ball eyes this big. I must say. Square end. And then down again. Boom. Hair on the end. Frowning lines, just some sort of hatching lines there, just to show a bit of a fold on the forehead. And Majin Vegeta actually has one that goes like right up the middle as well. So the eyes then, right? So they're thick black lines, right? So for Dragon Ball eyes, you want to go a perpendicular line, which is small, just here. It looks like a capital letter T in there. And on this one, you go diagonal, right? So this area is like a 7 sort of shape, like from here to here. So yeah, don't know if you can see it. And then this curves over to join them together. Okay. Do that then over here. Long line, short line, and then curved line together. So because it's Majin Vegeta, we got to do a box sort of that will be colored black. So here, so you just go trace it, sort of, you follow the line again, right? Like so. And then his iris inside here, right? So these big sort of green semicircles looking up at us from underneath the eyebrow. Okay. And like, you know, more wrinkles on his nose and everything because he's like intense and evil. And then this cheek marks that Dragon Ball characters always have. Like that. And then the M was requested. So we'll go first. Like, you do a V first, right? Right, and then down. And then hooks around. Right, just trying to keep it somewhat even because it's pretty high on that side, not on this side though. But we'll go back down into there and then back up. Boom. And then these are like colored black. That's black. I think Mark's using it for a tattoo, so it'll probably all be like black and shaded. Hope it's helpful. Anyone with Patreon requests, like specific things kind of like this, head over to Patreon. You don't have to stay signed up forever. You can just request and toodaloo. See you next one. Bye.